Good morning, children. Today we will learn the E sound words in phonic book. Open your first book of phonics, page number 22 and 23. Phonic book, page number 22 and 23. Did you open, children? The E sound words. Look at the picture and read the word below it. Ed, ed. Ed, ed. Ed, bed. Ed, ed, bed. Ed, ed, bed. Ed, ed, led. Ed, ed, led. Ed, ed, led. Ed, ed, red. Ed, ed, red. Next one, eg, egg. Eg, egg. Eg, egg. Eg, egg, beg. Eg, egg, beg. Eg, egg, leg. Eg, egg, leg. Egg, leg. Eg, egg, peg. Eg, egg, peg. Egg, peg. Egg, peg. Next one, en, n. En, n. En, n, hen. En, n, hen. En, n, hen. En, n, pen. En, n, pen. En, pen. En, n, ten. En, n, ten. En, ten. Next one, et, et. Et, et. Et, et, jet. Et, et, jet. Et, jet. Et, et, net. Et, et, net. Et, net. Et, et, pet. Et, et, pet. Et, pet. Read aloud. And hen. And pen. And ten. Look into your books and read, children. Et, jet. Et, net. Et, pet. Ed, bed. Ed, led. Ed, red. B egg bag, L egg leg, P egg peg. You have to practice at home, children. Look into your book and read properly. These are the E sound words. Read with phonics. Thank you, children.